Okay, so I'm at the Viva charger, and I had trouble to figure out which one was which on the app. The code, this code here, the app has both the same code for both chargers, so I couldn't figure out which one. So I just pick one, and now I got on charging. Everything's good. Charge at 190 amperes, 390 volts, 73 kilowatts. That's because I'm 63%. So I'm going to charge to 80 or 85. That's what I wanted to charge. Yeah, dovreste passare. I don't understand why people think that you can pass through chargers like that. I think people have issues. Maybe they should learn how to drive first. Anyway, I'm charging to 80 or 85. We'll see. I'm at 64 right now. Charging it at 69 kilowatts. Of course, it's not fast because I'm pretty high in battery charge, and that's it. So what I wanted to show you is today's trip. I came from Florence to Abruzzo. Now this guy is the trip, the data. Hope you can see. The distance is 413 kilometers. Maybe I just added couple 2 or 3 kilometers here. A total of 79 kilowatts hour of energy I spent, and the average energy that I did is 192 watt hours per kilometers. Okay, so this is the interesting data, because this tells you how much you do for 100 kilometers. So if you multiply, you do 19.2 kilowatts hour per 100 kilometers. Okay, so I maintain a speed of maybe 110, 115 average, because there was a lot of traffic. I did even 130 sometimes, but a lot of traffic, a lot of there was accidents, work on the highway. So it wasn't a great trip. I lost probably 30 to 40 minutes in line on the highway because accidents and stuff. So it kind of sucks, because the temperature was 35 Celsius. It was pretty hot, even if I left Florence early in the morning. So it wasn't that great. But the car went great. It responded when I pushed down the accelerator. Responded in certain situation. I comment other times that I don't like. I hate people when they tailgating you in the back. They come so close because I don't know where they want to go. You can go faster than a certain speed, and there are other cars. I don't know. People are stupid or something. I don't know. Anyway, today was all put together, was a good day. The trip was good. Let me show you where I am right now. I'm charging, of course. These are two-way Viva chargers, and this is all the mountains. So that's Maiella. It's the second highest mountain in the center of Italy. And down there, you cannot see it from here, is Gran Sasso, which is the highest mountain of center Italy. The highest mountain in center South Italy is Mount Etna, which is actually a volcano, which I think is erupting these days. Anyway, let me finish to charge. In the meantime, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. I'll get back to you as soon as I'm almost finished. That I want to mention something else. So I just finished the session. I charge 17 kilowatts. The app says 16.3 kilowatts. So let's interrupt this guy. Yeah, 84. Actually, it's 85 on my car. 17.77 kilowatts hour. 17 minutes. Okay, so pretty good. So let's go. That's the Tesla logo light under the door. So it was pretty good. The session was maybe 17, 18 minutes. Everything good. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.